Hello everyone, I'm Abdursul, CEO, founder of Agri-green Seed Company. Agri-green Seed Company provides seeds of vegetables. As the problem we identified in Balochistan, Pakistan, past 3 years we experienced and we collected different region to region randomly data, and we found out that there is the biggest problem of lack of seeds. As in Balochistan, just in Balochistan, 2 million hectares are uncultivated due to lack of seeds. We are providing some unique factor and we are working on the basis of climate smart agriculture. As climatic conditions are being changed in Pakistan, we providing on the basis of climate smart agriculture. We provide drought resistant varieties, salt resistant varieties, and flying resistant varieties in Balochistan and Pakistan. These are the biggest problem of Pakistan that farmers are facing different difficulties in different areas. We collected randomly data in overall Pakistan, and this is the biggest problem in Pakistan which causing food crisis, inflation rates, and stealing of people, genocides, and terrible wars are being due to lack of pure seeds and food crisis. In second phase, we are providing home kitchen gardening seeds. It facilitates those home uh, public which are living in biggest cities and areas. We have we have started that, and we are providing home kitchen gardening seeds in different all around the Pakistan. These seeds will contribute to increase the production of vegetables and reduce the food crisis. And we are reducing synthetic fertilizers and chemicals from home which are causing different diseases in different areas. So our products for kitchen gardening, as we are providing, these are our kitchen gardening vegetables which we are providing for home. It will contribute to reduce food crisis in Pakistan, and we are working on that. We have targeted that 5 to 6 million home provide seeds to home gardeners. Once again, 5 to 6 million gardeners, home gardeners, to cultivate these seeds at their home. It will contribute to reduce food crisis in Pakistan 40 to 45%. In Pakistan, I am mentioning here, and that 29% population is under food crisis and in different diseases. So we are working on that in simple way that individual home produce their home seeds with climate smart agriculture. We are struggling on that. We conducted our research, and we are how we are approaching the market and how we providing seeds to our customers. There are differentiates. We are conducting session in its universities, women's universities, school, colleges, NGOs, private and government sectors to providing these seeds. And these all activities and practicals are being done by our own. As agriculture experts and masters in agriculture, we are facilitating our public our own expenses, and we are working our own self. My team is working on this uh, problem, and we are solving all the problems which are facing in Pakistan. We need help and support from different WHO, WFP, who which countries, which people are working and sector, government and private sectors. We want support from them, and we want to support and help from them that we reach uh, 5 to 6 million people and provide them seeds at they grown their own and reduce food crisis in Pakistan. This is our vision and mission. We will be the part of climate smart agriculture, and we are empowering women and providing the seeds to women and giving training to women that how to grow seeds at home in different pathways methods. We are providing these seeds in different, and the methods are using at polythene bags, recycle the bottles of plastic, uh, pots, trays, and we are providing them, and they are growing it their own at home. Thank you.